Most people in America are broke not because they're stupid, but because they're following someone else's broken playbook. That's the harsh reality no one talks about. You're taught to chase money, not understand it. You're taught to work hard, not work smart. And by the time you realize the system doesn't work, you're already buried in debt, stuck in a job you hate and wondering why you're still paycheck to paycheck even after doing everything right. The first fundamental problem, nobody teaches you how to think about money. You were probably told to budget, save, avoid debt. Sounds smart on the surface, but budgeting alone won't make you rich. Saving alone won't build wealth. And avoiding all debt isn't realistic in a country where credit drives everything from buying a house to building a business. The second problem, lifestyle creep. You get a raise. You upgrade your life. Bigger apartment, fancier car, more subscriptions. Suddenly, your expenses rise faster than your income, and your savings never catch up. You think you're moving forward, but financially, you're running in place. And the third? Financial ignorance disguised as confidence. People think because they have a 401k, they're investing. Because they make six figures, they're financially smart. Because they pay their bills on time, they're responsible. But wealth isn't built on income. It's built on what you keep, how you grow it, and how well you protect it. So how do you fix these? Start by ditching the paycheck mindset. Stop measuring your success by how much you earn, and start focusing on how much you keep and where it's going. Track every dollar. Not for guilt, for control. Awareness is the first step to freedom. Next, automate your money. Pay yourself first automatically. 20% off the top goes to your future. Savings, investments, non-negotiable. Build this habit when you're broke and you'll be rich before you realize it. Wait until you're rich to build this habit? You'll never get there. Cut lifestyle creep before it controls you. Your car doesn't need to flex. Your apartment doesn't need to impress strangers. Buy assets before you buy upgrades. Wealth isn't loud. It's quiet, steady, boring. And boring is what makes you rich. And finally, understand debt. Not all debt is bad. Bad debt takes money out of your pocket. Good debt helps you build assets that pay you back. Credit cards? Dangerous if undisciplined. Useful if mastered. Student loans? A trap if you don't plan. A tool if you leverage it right. This is the foundation nobody gives you in school, in jobs, or even in most financial courses. Control your cash flow. Build systems, not excuses. Respect your future more than your present comfort. And if this episode opened your eyes even a little, imagine how much more powerful what's coming next will be. This was just the beginning. In the next part, we start breaking down the actual financial fundamentals that most Americans never truly learn and how the rich think differently from the very first dollar they earn. So if you want to stop making the same money mistakes as everyone else, hit that subscribe button right now. This is the Money Blueprint. Your financial future starts here.